So today we're going to take a look at how you can make sure your MacBook screen stays on when you're downloading something, so your download doesn't get interrupted or slowed down or stopped altogether. It's a common problem when you're just downloading something off the internet and you've got a slow connection, but today we're going to solve that issue. So all you want to do on your MacBook is just open up System Settings. This is the new version of macOS, so the System Settings panel may look different to your computer, but all we're going to do is, once we're in here, we're just going to scroll down this sidebar and we're going to look for the lock screen section. Once we're in lock screen, we want to look for turn display off on battery when inactive, and all we're going to do is change this one to never, and you can do the same. It's going to ask you about using more power and stuff. We're just going to click OK, and we can turn this one off if your laptop's plugged in. We can just click here, turn off power on power adapter. When inactive, we can also set that one to never as well. As you can see here, we've now got a warning. It says never letting your display go to sleep may shorten its life. Well, that's true. We're just using this for if we're downloading something. I don't recommend you leave this setting on all the time, but definitely for when you're downloading so it doesn't get interrupted. Hope that helps. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.